kami ng Mayon Natural Park. So,
Ito ang lifestyle ng DOT at saka DNR, pinagawa nila, funded by New Zealand.
Ayo, ilang taon na po itong Mayon Volcano Natural Park?
Matagal lang siya, siguro mga 10 years na.
10 years na.
Dapat
Pero
may oras.
kung natayo yan, kuya,
Ulitin ko
ay,
yung sabihin
sir,
ko.
may mga pagbabago po
Anong oras na?
nangyari dyan.
Dati, ang gate nito, bakal.
Ah,
Bakal siya, grill siya. Tapos, nung nagpandit na New Zealand ng 2007 yan, nabaguhan yung mga niya. Kasi, hindi malaki-laki yung pandit.
Memories. We made love by the ocean as the waves crashed around you. Sunsets never were so bright, and the skies never so blue. You opened up into my arms, and we laughed as I held you. I'll never go back to Georgia.
Start our journey towards Mayon Campus! Let's go!
So, kaya galing yan sa Mayon.
Alin kuya? Galing sa Mayon.
Oh my God!
Wow, mga nice! Kuya, mga galing po to sa Mayon?
Galing yan sa Mayon, in 1980s. It is 84, like that. Yan yung mga plastic material. Kaso lang tabunan na siya, nagkaroon na siya ng tawag dito, mga damo.
Kuya, ilang kilometro?
Every time na kinakuha rin sa baba, nagkakaroon ng erosion kaya. Binabagsak siya sa baba.
Ito ba tinatawag na Galileo Galilei?
Galing.
Galileo Galilei. After 1.5 hours po, 1.5 kilometers na rin ang nalalakad namin. At nandito na po tayo sa lava stones ng Mayon Volcano na tinatawag rin na Gali. Ano masasabi nyo? Oh, dito! Fresh air!
Ako sabi ko lang, ang life ay parang bato. It's far.
Oh my God! Yes! Pusong bato!
Who's so bright, and the sky's never so blue. You opened up into my arms, and we laughed as I held you. I'll never go back to Georgia, not at least till I have to. Tune into the left. 1, 2, 3. My baby don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try.
Kaya pa po?
Kaya pa.
Kaya pa?
Kaya pa.
Kaya pa.
How about you?
Kaya pa. Kaya pa.
Kaya Karing Carry.
And Gary.
Karing Carry. Lagi ang mga bato. Why na raspberry na daw?
Ayun.
May raspberry na daw! Hindi na souvenir. Souvenir! Para siyang... Hindi ko maalala kung ano.
Ano yan? Ano fruit yan?
Hindi mo maalala.
Raspberry po.
You think you got it, oh, you think you got it, but got it, just don't get it till there's nothing at all. We get together, oh, we get together, but separate's always better when there's
nakakapagod.
Okay, welcome to Camp 1.
Welcome!
Alright now, fellas. Yeah. Now what's cooler than being cool? Ice cold. I can't hear you. I say what's cooler than being cool? Ice cold. Alright. Okay, now ladies. Now we gonna break this thing down in just a few seconds.
The majestic Mayon volcano is one of the greatest icons you can see here in Albay and in the heart of Leon. And today we had the opportunity to have a closer look of the Mayon volcano. Ang latest eruption po ng Mayon volcano was last 2009 and nagkaroon po ng land erosions pag nag-occur po ang heavy rains. So if before patanaw-tanaw ka lang, ito na ang opportunity na malapitan mong tingnan ang Mayon.
Unang nakarating sa summit.
June 11, 2012, last year.
Last
Actually,
year.
organized climb nung Camp 1, akyat para sa bayan.
May buhay po ba ang Mayon? Kasi may mga
Para sa
narinig
inyo.
ako na may buhay daw.
Para sa
Sinasabi
mga
na may buhay ang
mountaineer
Mayon.
Sabi ng
Active mountain.
mostly siya ang one of the active volcanoes in Bicol region, including ang Bulusan, one of the active din. Mayon, yun ang alam ko dito sa tatlong dalawa.
Sir, what can you say about the Mayon trekking here in Albay?
Well, we just started this morning, so we just done 4 hours to here, 3 hours to here. So it's very hot at the bottom here, but it's very nice through the jungle. And after lunch, we'll go.
How's your experience?
How's my experience? Yeah, it's very nice, very enjoyable. Nice park.
What brought us here in the Philippines to come here, to come climbing Mount Mayon. We're actually bird watching. So there's two things we're doing. We're climbing the mountain and we're also bird watching. But it's actually a little bit difficult to bird watch here because you need forest and trees, okay? And the trees are down there, and if we walk up to the top, there's not many trees left, so we'll be struggling a little bit. But so we'll just be climbing up to the mountain.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, two reasons
Who told you about the place?
about this place.
Yes.
I just knew about it. It's famous. It's on your banknote, 100 peso banknote.
Yes.
Yeah.
Could you say some Filipino words for the viewers?
Gosh, no, that's a little bit more difficult. Panaco.
What, sir?
Panaco.
Oh, promise.
Okay. Mabuhay Albay.
Okay.
Okay.
But here are some reminders that we must remember. Take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints, and kill nothing but eyes.
Now don't have me break this thing down for nothing. Now I wanna see y'all on y'all baddest behavior. Lend me some sugar. I am your neighbor. Here we go. Shake it, 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 shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it, 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 sugar. Shake it like a Polaroid. Now all Beyonce's and Lucy Lou's. Shaking baby doll, get on the floor. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Sugar, shake it, sugar, shake it, sugar, shake it, shake it, sugar, shake it like a Polaroid picture.
Kung dati ay kontento ka na sa pagtanaw ng Mayon mula sa Pagsawa, aba, pansin mo subukang tumaling na. Ayaw na rin ba? Ayaw talaga!
Albay ay patuloy na umuunlad at ang pag-unlad na ito ay makikita sa pag-unlad ng mga bagay at mga makabagong lugar dito sa Albay.